Hello everyone, this is Rosalind Diana, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss about Git branching. Before going to Git branching, let us see about Git. What is Git? It is a free and open source version control system. It is used to handle small to very large projects efficiently. This Git is used to track changes in the source code, enabling multiple developers to work together on non-linear development. It is developed in 2005 by Linus Torvalds, who is the famous creator of Linux operating system kernel. Git allows multiple people to work together on the same source code in their different environments. Now in Git, we will see about Git branching. What is Git branching? Git branching means diverging from the main line of development and continue to do work without messing with that main line. In this diagram, we are seeing different branches. There is actually a main branch which is called master branch. In the master branch, in the files, separate commits will be done. We can create multiple branches from the master branch. We can create branches like hotfix, release, develop. Here we are seeing feature 2, number 2. They are all for used for solving the errors or bugs. So in the master, a person will be making changes in a file. The same file will be there in hotfix branch and also release develop feature. Everyone will be working on the same file in their own line of development and they will do their updations each and every time. So, whenever the different updations have to be seen by others, they have to be merged. This technique is called Git branching. Git branching contains many commands to do these effectively. Now we will see the basic commands in Git branching. To create a Git branch, we will use the command. We have to type $git branch, git branch, git space branch. Branch, it will show all the branches currently available in a particular folder or repository, and what is the active branch it will show. For creating a new branch, we have to give git branch develop. Here, develop is the new branch. So next to the branch keyword, we have to use the new branch name. In the above command, develop is the new branch. Once the command got executed, the develop branch will get created. Now we have to switch from the master branch to the newly created develop branch. Actually, initially, we will be in the master branch. We have to go to the newly created branch. Here, for the newly created develop branch, to move to that, we have to give the command git space checkout space branch name, that is develop. Checkout is used to move to any branch which we require. Here, git checkout command is used to switch from one branch to another branch. And if you want to do both two things, that is to create a branch and also to move to that branch, we can have a single command. The command is you can give git space branch space hyphen b space the branch name, new branch name. Here the new branch name is release. The to go to that release branch after creating, we give hyphen b. So this is directly moving from main branch to release branch after creating the release branch. To create a new branch and switch to it at the same time, you can run the git checkout command. So already another example I've told you, and this is one more example, git checkout hyphen b. The branch name is here is S53. It is issue number. Okay, when you are doing projects, there will be several issues. So for this particular example, the issue number is 53. So a branch is created as issue 53. A developer will solve the issue in the source code. Suppose you have decided that your issue 53, number 53, work is complete and ready to be merged into your master branch. You have moved into issue 53 branch, you have modified a file, and you want to make this modification to be visible to the master branch, you have to follow the following command. You should first go to master branch by giving git checkout master. So we will move to master branch. Then you should merge the changes you have done in issue 53 to master by giving the command git merge issue 53. So the new branch issue 53, the whatever updations it has done, that will be merged to master. So we will get the output like this. Merge index.html. For example, file name is index.html. It will say one file changed. In this, there is a problem that may occur that is called conflict. When two branches at the same time, if they update the common file, then how will we merge the changes in the master branch? So when you have, if you change the same part of the same file differently in the two branches, you are merging, Git won't be able to merge them cleanly. If you are fixed for issue 53, modify the same part of a file as the hotfix branch. Hotfix branch has modified a file. The same part, the issue number 53 file, issue number 53 branch, it is also changing. In that case, there will be conflict. So you will get auto merging index.html. The conflict, like that you will receive the result. Git hasn't automatically created a new merge commit. It has paused the process while you resolve the conflict. If you want to see which files are unmerged at any point after a merge conflict, you can run git status. So if you run git status, you will know which are the files are not yet merged. On branch master, you will get, if you run this command git status, you will see in which branch you are now. On branch master, you have unmerged paths, fix conflicts, and run git commit. The compiler will tell you you have to fix the conflicts and you have to run the git commit command. The git branch command does more than just create and delete branches. If you run it with no arguments, you get a simple listing of your current branches. So this git branch command, if you give, which are the branches are currently available in a particular repository. Repository means folder. It will show in current folder which are the branches available and currently which branches checked out. And the star indicates the master branch. It indicates the branch that you currently have checked out, you are currently in. This means that is the branch that head points to. There will be a head pointer pointing to the active branch, that is checkout branch. This means that if you commit at this point, the master branch will be moved forward with your new work. So when you do merging here, the issue 53 changes will be updated to master. To see the last commit on each branch, we can run git branch -v colon. So -v, if you give, you can see which is the last command or updations committed in a branch. Suppose if we have a branch that is called bad branch name, suppose a branch is there with some name and you want to change the branch name, then you have to give the command git branch double hyphen double dash move that old branch name, bad branch name, to the new branch name, corrected branch name. Here the example names are bad branch name and corrected branch name. So after you give this command, move command, you have to make this reflect in the remote repository. In your local system, you have changed the branch name from bad branch name to corrected branch name. This should be seen by everybody. Whoever is working on their side, on their line, they have to see this change. Make this change to be available to all the developers, we have to give this command git push. Push will make the changes to appear in the remote repository. So git push hyphen hyphen set hyphen upstream origin and space the new corrected branch name. So when you give this corrected branch name, automatically the old name will be corrected or changed by your git. Rename your local master branch into main. One more example, if you want to rename your master branch name itself, then you can give the same command git branch hyphen hyphen move master main. Master is the old name, main is the new name. To let others see new main branch, you need to push it to the remote. This makes the renamed branch available on the remote systems. So git push hyphen hyphen set hyphen upstream origin main. So the master branch name will be renamed as main. After you have done all these tasks and are certain the main branch performs just as the master branch. You can delete the master branch. Actually, when you rename main branch, also the original master branch will be available. Since two copies are there, you can delete the old master branch. So to do that, you have to run this command git push origin. Origin means to the remote git push origin hyphen hyphen delete master. So the old branch will be totally removed here. Thank you for listening.